Today, we're going to show you how the Khanh bird nest products get to the consumers. Bird nest has long been known as an effective health supplement, especially for elderly people who are facing health problems. The active protein in the nest stimulates growth of cells in the immune system, thereby strengthening the body fight against disease. Khanh bird nest colonies has just been named the Asia's largest Salangane incubators and producer in 2015. Let's look at the journeys of refined bird net products of Khanh colony. The chain has 4 stages: raw material collecting, processing, distribution, and reverse logistics. Raw bird nests are collected mainly from 8 islands in Khanh and 32 islands from other provinces. Production process of Khanh bird nest achieved the ISO 9001 and HACCP standards. It contains 5 main steps: classifying, quality testing, preliminary processing, refining, and packaging. Firstly, raw bird nests are classified by shape, size, and color, which are the determinants of nutritional value and price. After that, the classified bird nests are tested to measure the purity level. In the preliminary processing, bird nests are soaked and then taken out for feather removal. Next is the refining step. Bird nests are sterilized by UV ray, then they are put into shape and dried to get ready for packaging. Finally, the bird nests are weighed and packaged into boxes. The bird nests are now stocked at the warehouse. Khanh companies have designed a distribution network with more than 1,000 retailers across 63 cities and provinces in Vietnam, and expanded into more than 21 foreign markets. Khanh companies also develop a reverse logistic process to handle defective, expired, or returned products from consumers in order to maximize the customer satisfaction. So, let's have a quick look at the entire chain of Khanh bird nest again. So, what is the biggest challenge that the company is facing? As you know, Khanh bird nest has a long history of building its brand name and gain customer trust. Thus, the company is facing severe counterfeit problem. Many unknown businesses are taking advantages of Khanh brand name to make counterfeit products, which cause a huge financial losses. To solve the problem of counterfeiting, our group suggests the company to use the radio frequency identification technology, RFID. A microchip will be embedded inside the box to help a customer check the authenticity of the product. Customers are able to scan on the related information by using their NFC-enabled smartphones, including the farm location to the processing center, giving the product information and health certification. With annual revenue in 2014 is around $250 million, RFID is considered as an applicable solution after calculating its costs and benefits. 1,000 stores will be supported the read and write RFID devices with total cost equal to $100,000. Besides that, each product is sticked with one RFID tag that costs about $0.75. The investment in RFID system will increase the customer trust and certainly push sales significantly, which outweighs the cost of investment the company has to bear. This technology can also improve the warehouse management significantly and reduce the product losses. Finally, the technology helps Khanh company outstanding and protects its brand name in the market.